What's up, guys? That Lemon Davis guy here. Just wanted to react to this real quickly. It's called Something About Luigi's Mansion Animated. Warning: loud sound and flashing images. Let's just jump right in. Let's see what this is. Luigi's Mansion.
Mario!
That's Mario.
Mario? Yippee! Mario! Oh yeah.
Happy Halloween. Okay, so guys, that was Something About Luigi's Mansion. The title says it all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this guy's channel. Subscribe to me. And his name is Terminal Montage. He's very amazing. I've watched some of his stuff before. Yeah, please subscribe to him. All credit goes to him. Please don't do anything of like... Please, whatever you do, Terminal Montage, Jeremy, please don't take down my channel. Alright, guys. I'll see you all in a bit. Bye. Happy Halloween.